Wonderful Waste is a story that tells us how we can utilize waste by getting creative. Once, the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. This story is set in the kingdom of Travancore in India. The king of the place organized a feast in his palace. In order to make sure everything was being prepared in full swing, the king decided to go in for inspection. When he went to the kitchen, something odd catched his attention. "What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps?" he asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." "You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them," the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. Now, the cook was confused. All of a sudden, an interesting idea came to his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long stripes. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. The cook cut all the vegetables into long stripes. After this, the cook tossed them all in a pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Then he added other ingredients to enhance the flavor of the dish. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then he named it Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. These entire flavors gave the dish nice aroma, look, and taste. Everyone tasted the dish first time and wanted to know its name. Then the cook thought and named the dish Avial. The story of Wonderful Waste tells us a great deal about recycling and how we can get creative and not let anything go to waste. Moreover, it also takes us into the history and the origin of the famous dish of Kerala known as Avial. I hope that you have enjoyed this story. Thank you, everyone.